Okay, so welcome back. And on this one, I want to show you something else. It's going to be very small. Now, we know that we can pass props from parent to children, from parent to child, and then we can use an emitter to go from children to the parent, right? We know this. And we can run a function that lives in the parent when we trigger this from the child component. But we can also do this if we are using props. We can use a sort of a callback, let's say. Let me just give you an example. I'm going to go here. I'm going to call update because what I want to do, I want to update a property and I'm going to update the age. And this one is going to be linked to some function that will do that updating. So I'm going to call it update age. And this is a function. I need to create it. I'm going to go at the bottom and say that now we are going to be using that function. And that function is going to get a value, which is the new age. And then this one, it will go to the reactive property, data, and then age. And this will change the value to whatever is that we get as an argument. All right, very simple. We just need to call it because, we are passing it as props. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to do comma and I'm going to go at the bottom. And now we are getting that update. And maybe I want to copy and paste to avoid typos, update age. And this one, we need to use a type now. So this is a function. So function, cool. And it's going to pass. What else do we need to do? Well, we are catching the prop. It is a function. We just need to call it. I'm going to go here, do button, open and close. And when we do an on click, we are going to call that update age. Since this is a function, I'm going to need to pass the arguments because we are expecting some arguments, right? We are expecting the value of the age. And this will work too, right? So if you need to do something like this, you don't want to use an emitter, well, you can pass a prop with a function. And again, it's just like using a callback function. Let's see if this works. I'm going to reload the application. Oh, and I made a mistake right here. I had no values inside the button, I guess. I'm going to go here and, is the other one. Maybe update age. That would be nice. Update age. If I go here and reload it, let's click it and we update the age. So just like, again, if you can choose right here, it's completely up to you. You can use a prop or you can use an emitter, right? Since now we have a little bit more right here in terms of props and, emitters and everything else, I can show you the next part in type checking. So let's go to the next video and I'm going to show you a couple more things that we can do when we check the types. And it's just going to be very small. Don't worry.